Beside पहलू में या साथ. The two brothers stood beside each other. The two brothers stood beside each other. दोनों भाई एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े थे. Release छोड़ना. She released the bird from her hand. She released the bird from her hand. इसने परिंदे को अपने हाथों से छोड़ दिया. Primary बुनियादी. His primary thoughts are about money. His primary thoughts are about money. इसके बुनियादी ख्यालात पैसे के बारे में हैं. Announce ऐलान करना. The teacher announced his retirement. The teacher announced his retirement. उस्ताद ने रिटायरमेंट का ऐलान कर दिया. Grab लाना या पकड़ना. Go grab some food. Go grab some food. जाओ कुछ खाना ले लो. Identify शनाख्त. I used the file to identify his name. I used the file to identify his name. मैंने इसके नाम की शनाख्त के लिए फाइल का इस्तेमाल किया. Pattern खाका या नमूना. How to use pattern in a sentence. How to use pattern in a sentence. एक जुमले में खाके का इस्तेमाल कैसे करते हैं. Throw फेंकना. The player can throw the baseball very fast. The player can throw the baseball very fast. खिलाड़ी बेसबॉल को बहुत तेजी से फेंक सकता है. Single एक. I have a single key in my hand. I have a single key in my hand. मेरे हाथ में एक ही चाबी है. Force ताकत. He used all his force to open this. He used all his force to open this. इसने इसे खोलने के लिए अपनी पूरी ताकत इस्तेमाल की. Cause वजह. Cold weather is the cause of her sickness. Cold weather is the cause of her sickness. सर्द मौसम इसकी बीमारी की वजह है. Issue मसला. It's not a big issue. It's not a big issue. ये कोई बड़ा मसला नहीं है. Contrast मुखालिफ या उलट. It is interesting to contrast the two writers. It is interesting to contrast the two writers. दो लिखारियों के दरमियान फर्क करना दिलचस्प है. Function काम करना. The new machine functions well. The new machine functions well. नई मशीन अच्छी तरह काम करती है. Rest काम करना. I rested on the couch after work. I rested on the couch after work. मैंने काम के बाद सोफे पर आराम किया. Fright खौफ. She was filled with fright. She was filled with fright. वो खौफ से भर गई. Advantage फायदा. They had been given an unfair advantage. They had been given an unfair advantage. इन्हें गैर मुंसिफाना फायदा दिया गया था. Angry नाराज होना. I am angry with my friend. I am angry with my friend. मैं अपने दोस्त से नाराज हूँ. Ever कभी. You have ever loved someone. You have ever loved someone. क्या आपने कभी किसी से मोहब्बत की. Secret राज. Two boys were sharing a secret. Two boys were sharing a secret. दो लड़के एक राज बांट रहे थे. Cloud बादल. The sky was filled with white clouds. The sky was filled with white clouds. आसमान सफेद बादलों से भरा हुआ था. Reply जवाब देना. He didn't reply to her greeting. He didn't reply to her greeting. इसने इसके सलाम का जवाब नहीं दिया. Finally आखिरकार. Finally I passed the exam. Finally I passed the exam. आखिरकार मैंने इम्तिहान पास कर लिया. Lot बहुत या ढेरों. There are lot of apples in the basket. There are lot of apples in the basket. टोकरे में बहुत सारे सेब हैं. Carefully एहतियात से. The baby carefully climbed up. The baby carefully climbed up. बच्चा एहतियात से ऊपर चढ़ गया. Experiment तजर्बा. Ali did this experiment on a rabbit. Ali did this experiment on a rabbit. अली ने ये तजर्बा एक खरगोश पर किया.